So this is gonna have to be part 2. I accidentally stopped the video, so it'll be a 2-parter. Now we're just gonna get this and chuck it into our batter. Hopefully we can get it all in without falling. No, no! Only one bit drop. That's alright. Turn that off. Chuck it in. Now all we're gonna do is mix. Mix and mix. Oops. Just mix it in, mix it in. Nice, all coated. Let's bang this back on. A little bit more oil. Yeah, that should be alright. We've got our batter. Now all we're gonna do is pour it. Just give it a little. Just let it be even. I love it with a bit of tomato. Make sure it's on low heat. All we're gonna do now is literally chop this properly. Shove it in. Just let it cover another 10 to 15 minutes cooking, and we should be Spanish omelette on our way to eat. So I'm gonna attempt the flipped. Ooh, it's actually very stodgy. Let me take it here, just in case I fail. Whoops, done it. You can see I burnt most of the bottom, but it should be alright actually, to be honest. Kids, don't use your hands. I've got no nerve endings, so. But it's not that burnt. La Spanish omelette. Just leave it for a couple of more minutes and it should be done. I like having my Spanish omelette with toast. So let me bang that in. So let's get our toast out. It's done. Nearly. Grab a nice. But make sure to clean up as you go along. It doesn't matter how much mess you make when you cook. As long as you clean up afterwards, you're not going to get no beats for your mother. So these are Wobble and Toasty. Just need to butter these. Grab a knife. Perfect. Grab some butter. All I do is this. Boom. And all you need to do is cut around it. And then all you need to do is grab it. Whoa. It's hot. That was a mistake. Separate it properly. All we're going to do is take it. Voila! This is our Spanish omelette. Nice and juicy. Looking lovely. I should have really flipped the other one. You can see it now. nice. It's good. Delicious. Now all I need to do with this is move the butter knife, grab the other toast, chuck it in, grab it, you can see the potato chunks, and give it a good glorious juicy bite. It's been Delectable Divine Delights. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. This will be a 2-part video. Sorry about the mess. Next time round, I'll make it quick and efficient for you guys. Enjoy. Bye bye.